हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम पढ़ते हैं अपना 10th चैप्टर सर्कल्स। सबसे पहले बेसिक को समझते हैं कि सर्कल्स में क्या क्या बेसिक होता है। ये आपने सर्कल से पहले भी फेमिलियर हो गए, इससे पहले भी क्लासेस में सर्कल्स को पढ़ा होगा, बट फिर भी प्रीवियस क्लासेस से थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है कंसेप्चुअली। एक बेसिक डिफिनेशन को देखते हैं। व्हाट इज अ सर्किल कॉल्ड? सर्किल किसको बोलते हैं? अभी देखिए, एक मैंने सेंटर, हर एक सर्किल का क्या होगा, एक सेंटर होगा और एक रेडियस होगा। सो अभी एक सेंटर से यहाँ से देखिए, अगर मैं किसी भी एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करता हूँ, ये सारे क्या हो गए? सपोज इफ वी ड्रॉ दीज आर द पॉइंट्स ऑन द बाउंड्री ऑफ दिस सर्किल। सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स ऑन द बाउंड्री ऑफ द सर्किल. These are the points on the boundary. If we join this side, this and this, all will be called as radius. They are at the fixed distance from this center of the circle. So what is the circle? Circle is the locus of the points equidistant from a fixed point. फिक्स पॉइंट क्या है? सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल. सो सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल से ये जितने भी पॉइंट है, दीज आर नोन एज द लोकस ऑफ द पॉइंट्स. मीन्स सर्किल क्या है? सर्किल इज मेड अप ऑफ द पॉइंट्स ओनली ना. ऐसे ये ऐसे पॉइंट से ही तो मिलकर के बना हुआ है ना. बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स को अभी हमने कंजिक्यूटिवली इनको रखा हुआ है. सो नाउ दे आर गिविंग ए कंटिन्यूअस सर्किल शेप, or this is the center of the circle. So all these points, they are equidistant from this point. See, so this distance is only known as the radius. So this is the center of the circle. So all these points, they are equidistant from a fixed point. Center is always a fixed point. Center never changes because this is a fixed point of the circle. So all these points on the boundary, they are equidistant from a fixed point. So what is a circle? Circle is a locus of points equidistant from a fixed point. So fixed point is only the center of the circle. So what is the fixed point? It is the center of the circle. So this is the locus of the points equidistant from a fixed point. This is called a circle. Now we'll discuss the different terms used in case of the circles. Now comes the basic one. Suppose I have drawn a circle. So this is now, if this is a point A and this is the point B, and suppose this is the point C. So ACB is a minor arc. So this is a minor arc. ACB is a minor arc, and this complete section other than this ACB, this other rest of the portion is a major arc. So if I draw this complete, the red region I have highlighted over here, this is the major arc. So this is the major arc of the circle. So minor arc and major arc. If I draw with the center of the circle, so this and this portion, and this complete is the major arc of the circle. Now coming to the another one. If I draw a circle, now this is a chord AB. AB is a chord. Means if we join 2 points of the circle, a line joining 2 points of the circle is known as the chord of the circle. Now see, what is the diameter? Diameter is the double of radius, or if a chord passing through the center of the circle, a chord passing through the center of the circle is the diameter of the circle, and we call that this is the greatest diameter, greatest chord. So what is the diameter? Diameter is the greatest chord passing through the center of the circle. So this is the now the greatest chord. Similarly, we will discuss another term. So if I draw again a circle, and this is the center of the circle, then this portion, this is called as minor sector. This complete portion highlighted by the black shade is a minor sector, and complete this one, this outer region, this complete outer region, this is now, this highlighted by the red region is a major sector. So this is a major sector now. So we got this as a major sector. Or again, this angle is the minor angle, and this complete angle other than this minor angle is a major angle. If I draw another circle, so this portion now, this is the minor segment. This is the minor segment, and other than this region highlighted by the red one, now this is the major segment. So this highlighted by the red region is the major segment. So ये सारे टर्म्स को हम याद रखेंगे, बिकॉज ये सारे टर्म्स अभी हमें क्या यूज होंगे कंप्लीट चैप्टर में. तो हमारे को एक बार व्यू होना चाहिए कि सेगमेंट किसको बोलते हैं, सेक्टर किसको बोलते हैं, और माइनर आर्क एंड मेजर आर्क वन. नाउ कमिंग टू द एक्सरसाइज 10.1. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज, ओनली दिस filling the blanks and true false are given here. So fill in the blanks. Now coming to the first question, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first one is given, the center of the circle lies in the interior of the circle. Center of the circle is always in the interior of the circle. A point whose distance from the center of the circle is greater than the radius. If I draw a circle, suppose this is only the radius. If a point is over here and its distance is greater than radius, so if the distance is greater than radius, means any point, suppose this is the Q, and if its distance is greater than the radius, normally it will lie outside of the circle. So a point whose distance from the center of the circle is greater than its radius lies in the exterior of the circle, or it is outside. So it is exterior of the circle or outside of the circle. The longest chord of a circle is diameter. So diameter is the longest chord passing through the center of the circle. एक मैंने circle बनाया, this is the center and this is the chord now AB. AB is the chord, so it is passing through the center of the circle, it is the diameter. So longest chord is the diameter passing through the center of the circle. So coming to the fourth one, an arc is when its end are the ends of the diameter. So अभी सपोज एक मैंने ऐसे डायमीटर को बनाया और एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया हुआ है जिसके एंड्स क्या है, डायमीटर के एंड्स हैं A and B, and this is the center. So if an arc is having the end point as the diameter's end point, then it is a semicircle. So it is a semicircle. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and of the circle. Now segment we have already discussed. This is the center of the circle, this is the arc, and this point. So this is the segment, this is the segment. So it is a region between this arc and the triangle. So the segment of a circle is the region between an arc and the this triangle, or this is the chord AB. So this is the arc and the chord, region between the arc and the chord. Now coming to the sixth one. A circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts. सपोज एक प्लेन में अभी हमने सर्किल को बनाया हुआ है. If we consider this circle only, this circle is in the plane. So there are the three regions now. This is on the circle. Now this is the interior of the circle, and this region is the exterior of the circle. So it divides the plane into three parts. Now coming to question number 2. Write true or false and give reasons for your answers. So now coming to the first one. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. Of course it is true. Center to any point on the circle, this is the center, and if we join this to this point on the circle, so it is obviously the radius of the circle only. Second one, a circle has only finite number of equal chords. A circle, now this is a circle now. It can have this as a chord, this as a chord, this one 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 as a chord. So there can be infinite number of chords of equal length. So second one is false because it can has infinite chords. So a circle can have infinite number of chords. So now coming to the third one, if a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc. So this is false because each one will not be a major arc. Now see how it will not be. Suppose I have drawn this circle, taken any 3 points. Suppose this is A, here it is B, and here it is C. So this is the center of the circle now. So this is one of the arc, and this is also one of the arc. This is one arc, this is one arc, and this is another arc. So each one of them is not a major arc. These two are the minor arc, and another one is the major arc. So coming to the fourth one, a chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle. Of course this is true. This is a chord. So chord is double of its radius, then of course it is the diameter only, passing through the center of the circle. So fourth one is true. Coming to the fifth one, a sector is a region between the chord and its corresponding arc. So sector, see this is the center of the circle, and this complete region is the sector of the circle. So this region is between these two sides, means this is the region between the radii and the arc. So what is the sector? Sector is the region between, this is radius, this is radius. So it is between the radius and this arc. So sector is between the radius and the arc. So this is false. We can write sector is a region between radii, between the radii and arc. Now coming to the sixth one, a circle is a plane figure. Of course this is true. A circle is a plane figure only. So we have completed our exercise 10.1. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.